Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, children, I had already practiced with you. Business letters for placing what?
Ma'am, lab equipment.
Placing orders. We have three types of business letters. One is placing orders. Then second, we have canceling orders. Okay, and letter of warning. What are the three types of letters we'll be doing in business letters? Number one is you place orders and you give a time. Let's see, this is what I want and I want it in 10 days or 1 week. And if it does not come in the scheduled time, then you will write a letter of what? Warning. That we are reminding you, we are giving you another 1 week. Please send our things, otherwise you will be compelled to cancel your order. So this is a reminder letter or a letter of warning. And the last is cancellation letter. You will give details that, see, we had placed an order on so and so date, letter number so and so. Then again, we sent a reminder to you. And we also sent a warning that we'll cancel the order on so and so date. But since you have not responded, now we are compelled to cancel the order. That is cancellation of order. So children, tell me quickly, what are the three types of letters we have in business letters in our syllabus? Number one.
Order.
Warning.
Order.
Letter of
And
warning
warning order.
Placing order, warning order, cancelling order.
and cancellation of orders. Since we have a class today and then I'll guess a class next week only. So I was not wanting to start with a new letter today. I want to continue with this only. All 3 days, if you do the same thing, you'll feel more confident doing it. So today I will not help you in anything. Okay. How many letters have we discussed for placing orders? Tell me, sports codes we have discussed. What else?
Lab.
Lab apply.
Lab apparatus. Okay.
Yeah,
What else?
We have also discussed electrical goods.
Which things, beta? Library books.
Electrical appliances.
Electrical appliances, library books. So 4 things we have already discussed.
We haven't done the library books.
Not done? Chalo, let's do this. Please note down. You are the librarian of ABC International School. Please take down the details. You are the librarian ABC International School, Delhi. Write a letter to.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay, I'll wait. I'll speak again. You are the librarian ABC International School, Delhi. Written? Should I speak further?
Yes, ma'am.
Write a letter to Oxford Book House, Delhi. Oxford Book House, Delhi. Requesting them to send some books for your school library. Now, these books could be NCERT books, reference books, novels, encyclopedias, dictionary, atlas, whatever you want to take. At least 5 things you will be ordering. And note down the conditions. Because the
And
new
please repeat
session
last line.
starts. Yes, Bache? You are writing a letter to Oxford Book House. Order for some stuff for the library. They could be NCERT books, reference books, novels, dictionary, atlas, encyclopedia, anything, any 5 things you have to order. Now, please listen to the further details. As the new session is going to start, put forward the condition that you want the books in 1 week only. New session. The reason is the new session is going to start. So your condition should be that you want the books in 1 week only to be delivered. Also talk about the mode of payment. Also talk about the mode of payment and other terms and conditions. Also mention about the mode of payment and other terms and conditions. Now, I will not help you in anything. Your time starts now. Write, post. Let's see who writes a flawless letter. Not even one mistake found. Let's have the winner for today, and the winner would be the child where me and all your friends are not able to find a single mistake in what you have written. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question once again?
Which part you want me to tell you?
From the starting part.
You are the librarian, ABC International School, Delhi. Librarian,
Okay.
ABC International School, Delhi. You are writing a letter to place order to Oxford Book House, Delhi. You want to buy some stock for the school library. Anything you can buy for the library. The conditions are because the new session is starting, you want the books within a week. Maximum a week time we can give. And also mention about the mode of payment and the terms and conditions. Still, if anyone has any doubt, you can ask me. But I'll not help you in the writing of the letter. I'll just help you in the question part if you missed out something. Start
Ma'am, in the
quickly. Let's
starting,
see.
you are the librarian, ma'am. After that,
You are the librarian of ABC International School. Whoever
okay, ma'am.
finishes will first inform that, ma'am, I finished, I'm posting. And before you post, check once. Otherwise, you are going to lose the competition. Be careful about commas, how to write date. I hope you all are writing better.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bache.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, if we are writing NCRT for some book, then NCRT will be the brand.
NCRT is the publisher name. Yes, Peter. So you'll write. How will you write this? This item you will write it as book English. Supposing you're going for a science book class 10th, and the product code or the publisher would be NCRT.
Ma'am, in the question, the address is given for Oxford Book House.
I just told you the name of the city. That is sufficient. Delhi. Both the places
Okay,
are Delhi. ABC International School, Delhi, and Oxford Book House is also Delhi.
Okay.
Before you post, once scan your part. Let's see. Not even a single mistake. Who can win this? Yes, beta, done.
I'm just writing the terms and conditions.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
Beta, are you posting on the group? Are you confident?
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
checked? Have you
Yes,
checked
ma'am.
also?
Yes, ma'am, I'm going to send.
Okay. Now all of you stop writing. Try and find as many mistakes as you can. I'll also see. Chalo. Let's see who posts without a mistake today. Let's go back on the group, everyone.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes, beta. She's already posted. Stuti. Everybody, please go and start checking. Let's see if we can find a mistake. I'm also checking. Read, children. Okay, 2 pages you posted. One small mistake I have found, but I will not disclose for mistakes.
Ma'am, I have also sent on the group.
Okay, we are checking for you also. First, what she has written. This is in reference to a telephonic conversation. Children, please read what Suti has written. Excellent, Stuti. Only one small issue is there, though most of the teachers may ignore it. They may not cut marks for this. Yes, anyone? Any mistake? No?
Ma'am,
Stuti,
she has
check out
not
for you.
made the box.
Box is not made. Okay. Yes, one more thing is there. Check out in the
Is
date.
box necessary? Because
Yes,
earlier also
it's a
don't used to
formal
make
letter,
box.
beta. Though we'll not consider here as losing marks, but you make a box, it's a formal letter, but we are not going to consider it as a mistake as of now. Check out your date, beta. Check out your date. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is missing?
It should be 5th rather than 5.
Or you should have written the month first, then TH was not needed. June 5. You could have written it
Okay.
like this. Only one very, very small error. Now let's see what Isa has written. Isa, you also next time make a box. Let's see what Isa has written. Please check for Isa. Find mistakes. Order for books. Check out, children, if there's any mistake. Found something?
No, ma'am.
Check the first line. There is a small problem in that. Check the first line. This is reference to that one. Yes, Pika?
Should come.
Both are correct. This is in reference to, this is with reference to, both are correct. There's some other problem here. Check what is it.
Ma'am, should it be which was dated on?
Ma'am, dated on. Ma'am, on should not be there.
Yes, very good. Very good. Either you use the word on or you use the word dated. Meeting dated 1st June or meeting on 1st June. They mean the same. So one very, very small error, like we found one very small error in what Stuti had written. Exactly same place she also stands. So very, very small errors in both of them. Okay, we have Pranjal posting. Please see now what Pranjal has written. Please find mistakes in what Pranjal has written. Stuti and Isa, wonderful, very, very small mistake. Most of the people may even not find it, not notice it. Yes, please check what Pranjal has written.
Ma'am, I found one mistake.
Please speak.
Ma'am, it should be first. He has written one.
Where, beta?
Ma'am, in the starting, after dear sir.
Dear sir, this is in reference to our Google Meet conversation on 1st June. 1st June, Pranjal, first, not once. 6th, 7th, 8th to 1 to 1st to na beta. So in place of TH, it should be what? It should be ST. Yes, 1st June. Okay. Very good, children. Anything else? See, such a small error, but you are able to find it. Very nice. Anything else? See you soon.
Ma'am, if the session was going to start in just a week, ma'am, the month might have been April.
In a week. That's okay. He must have written the date now. So it's as understood which month. I have already done the advance payment of 2000 through Google Pay. Okay, Ajay. Yes, I found one mistake. Last, go to the last of the letter, children, you will find the mistake. Closing of the letter where he has written yours truly there. Tell
And
me what
after
is wrong.
comma should not be there.
First thing is
The
comma should
spelling
not
of-
be there. And also one thing more is missing.
The
What?
spelling of truly.
Beta, see.
And it should be yours.
I told you that you are the librarian. I specially mentioned that you are the librarian. So your designation should be mentioned. After Ajay, what should be written?
Library.
Librarian. So very, very small mistake. One is one ST first. And second is you will not have a comma after truly. And your designation should also be mentioned. That is librarian. Very good. Excellent effort, Pranjal. Very sincerely
Ma'am,
you are
thanks.
answering. Okay, Puneet has posted, children. Now see what Puneet has posted. Read and tell me the mistakes. Read quickly. I'm sure you'll find something. Read.
Ma'am, the spelling of librarian is wrong.
Okay. I did not notice this. Chalo, let's see. Anything else? Others also? Spelling of
And
librarian
he has
is
written advance payment for equipment.
oh, it's books, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Librarian as it is should be written down. It should not be written in the front. After Puneet, on the same line, you will not write librarian. Librarian should be written in the next line. So we have found one mistake in Puneet's work also. Now whose is this? This is Naina.
I'm Gargi.
Okay, this is Gargi's. Chali beta. Lead for Gargi fadafat. Hurry up. Let's find a mistake if you can. This is in reference to a telephonic conversation. We have also the catalog. Keep an eye on spellings also. Yes, I found one mistake. Gargi, why did you leave space for this line? The books are urgently required. Hmm? Beta, why are you leaving space? Why are you not sticking to
Ma'am,
the
for
margin?
changing the paragraph.
Even if we change the paragraph, we will never leave space. What is the golden formula I told you for writing letters these days? All left,
Okay,
comma
ma'am.
less. All left, comma less. You don't need to put a lot of commas. Earlier, we used to write the editor, comma, the Hindustan Times, comma, New Delhi, comma, Uttar Pradesh. Now, no commas, no. Minimum commas. Don't leave space ever. Okay, let's check for the written part if there's some mistake. Gary, check for the word limit. I think you are exceeding the word limit. Give me an idea how much it is. And no
I'm around 100.
I'm in
Ma'am
close
sent.
check of rupees 10,000. Librarian rest, everything is fine. There is no mistake. At least I could not find. You people still keep checking. The only thing is,
Ma'am-
Gagi, please stick to the left when you change paragraphs. Yes, something else, beta?
Ma'am, it should be we would like to avail 10% discount or we would like to avail the 10% discount.
No, it's okay. 10% discount is okay. The is not needed. If you want, you can mention because we've earlier referred to it in the conversation. You can use the also. Okay. Very careful now. Next time, Gargi, please don't leave space. Stick to the left. See down who has posted. I think this is Naina. See, Naina, she's sticking to the margin. This is how we should go ahead. Come on, children, find mistakes in what Naina has written. I'm sure you'll find something. Till now, you have found a mistake in everything which was posted, though very small. Find. Oh, Naina, what have you written? Kindly ensure that notebook is damaged. See the first line. Huh? Anji, what have you? Oh, acha, it is no book. No book. I thought it is notebook. No book is damaged. They're very close. If in case we found any book damaged, no payment will be made. We would like to avail 10% discount agreed upon our meeting. Agreed
Ma'am,
upon our
after
meeting.
this discount, it should be as agreed.
Agreed upon our meeting or agreed in our meeting? Okay, agreed upon in our meeting. Is it okay? Agreed upon in our meeting. I am enclosing a check of as an advance payment. Rest money I will give after checking all the books on the day of delivery through Paytm. The books are required urgently as the new session is starting in our school, and I hope that the books are delivered safely within a week. In anticipation or thanking you in anticipation? What are you wanting to write? Anticipation. In advance, you're thanking, huh? But that word thanking is missing. In anticipation. Okay, you're hoping that whatever you're saying will be done. Yes, children, what all could have been improved here? Tell me.
Ma'am, she has not mentioned where the books have been delivered.
Not mentioned the delivery, where it has to be done. Okay. And one more thing, beta, I would suggest you, though it is not wrong,